Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on the plus symbol at the bottom to start your post, and obviously once you've selected the image or video that you want to use, click on next on the top right. And you should see audio on the bottom left, so you want to tap on there. This will just bring up a list of songs that you can choose from. You can also tap on the bookmark icon on the right hand side, and that'll save any music that you want to use for a later date. So once you're happy with the song, just click on it, and it'll give you a little preview, and then you just need to click on the arrow on the right hand side at the bottom. Once you've done that, just click on audio again, and you can select whereabouts this music will start from. You can also select this 30 symbol, and that'll just tell you how many seconds the clip will play for. So it'll go up to about 90 seconds, or you can reduce it down to about 5 seconds if you want to do that. Once you're happy with that, just select done. And then once you've got the music in the place that you want, just select done on the bottom right, and select next. And obviously you can just edit your post. As you can see, the music's already set up on there as well. And once you've done all that, just select share. So that's how you can add music to your Instagram post. Thanks for watching.